Just a little impromptu match here. I'm going to be using my Grand Cat Nature deck, because I am the Grand Cat. As you can see, it runs a lot of big cats. We have this big lion, we have the binoculus tiger, we have the leopold. So this is a kind of new build. It's not meta by any standards. And we're going to be going up against Joker, who's one of the best players in the world. So, he wanted the game, I thought, yeah, why not? I'm happy to play some nonsense. If you're entering a kind of tournament, I recommend you don't play Great Nature. There's much better decks. And he appears to be playing Dark Regulars, which is really good if it's Bladewing with the new Ultra Rare. That's not a terrible lineup. Could work with that. I think I would preview. Yeah. Just not giving it to me there. Prefer to have the Sea Otter for later. The Dog Bell's only going to draw me a card. The Sea Otter will be able to get quite a large amount of advantage. Okay, so he's playing the Witching Hour stuff, which all adds additional copies into his deck. A line would be nice. Compass line. Oh, I'll take 2 Sea Otters. So, Sea Otters can't be retired, so yeah, that's interesting. So, I think in the following turn I'm going to raid Polaris. I'm going to call the Vocal Chicken to rearguard, and then I'm going to use the skills to retire him. Assuming I'm on limit break 4. Right, so I could call an Otter to Vanguard Circle, but it's a rearguard circle. But I don't really want it being attacked. I'm just going to attack. Okay, this is pretty good. It's on a hit, can't blast 1, Soul Shard 3. Which you're about to see right now. Oh, well, now he can't counter blast. That actually worked well in my favour. Oh, that was a wasted stand trigger. That's unfortunate. Ah, that's good. Compass line. So at the end of the turn I'm going to use the compass line to retire the Vocal Chicken and turn it into a cat. So, what's the order of attacks? Does it even matter? Okay, let's see if we can get a stand trigger. Give me a stand trigger. Oh, no stand triggers. And that's only 17. I'll attack anyway. Right, so I want this one first. And then draw me one. Oh, we're doing something I've got. It's nice. Oh, this is interesting because Amon can't retire the Sea Otters, but Amon targets the back rows first. So I'm very curious as to what happens in this situation. Oh, no grade 3s. That was unfortunate. Okay, nobody's choosing not to. Interesting. So he can only use his draws then? Well, we have to if you want to try and do some damage. Interesting. Oh, a Leopold. But I can't read it. I don't have enough cards in hand to do that. So instead we're just going to do this. Make that into 22. See if we can hit a stand trigger. Field triggers are also fine. Sure, why not? Give me a stand trigger. Oh. Ah, that's very irritating. So you've only got 3 cards in hand. Should I go for the Vanguard damage? No. No, that'd be stupid. Because then it's just going to move the other grade 3 up. No, all triggers. Stand trigger would have allowed me to make a 21k column with the Leopold. Because Leopold would have attacked and then I'd have boosted the Sea Otter, which just me. Yep, that's fine. Makes sense. Being on 3 damage is mildly inconvenient. I don't really want to call this Perfect. Yeah, I think we'll do this. And just hope for a stand trigger. Because I mean, we still have 5 of them. There we go. That should get 1 5 damage. He's got 4 cards in hand, so attacking that rear doesn't make any sense. This is fine. So I've got Perfect Card in hand. If he doesn't play any stands, I don't think I can lose this turn. And this will put me on the 4 damage, so I'll be able to use Polaris' skill next turn. And he didn't raid. Interesting. Yeah. expected him to. Putting a lot of non-triggers into his deck. An interesting tactic. So I draw trigger. I suspect he'll have some perfect guards. Oh, there's an interesting thing. So we've got 12k column and an 18k column. I don't need the most out of this. You know what? It's great. So I'm expecting this guy for guard. No stand triggers. Ah, 3 perfect guards. And I've used all my heals. Yep, well, there's no point. Because I'm taking damage, definitely. And I have no heals left. So that was unfortunate. I really needed one of those attacks to go through, but don't think there was any way that I was playing that any differently. Even keeping the perfect guard in hand, I would still have taken one damage that next turn. So, well, that was entertaining.